Hi viewers, welcome to Smart Academy. I am giving JE Mains 2019 Physics question paper analysis. I am giving answers for the questions. See here, this is the third question. A shell is fired from a fixed artillery gun with an initial velocity speed u, such that it hits the target on the ground at a distance r from it. So, for example, here the gun it is there. So if we hit the gun, here the target which is on the ground, here the ground. So it has initial speed u, then it hits the target on the ground. So here it has here the given information, initial speed equal to u. So where is the target? The distance from it. So this is the horizontal distance from it. So just listen the children. It has the gun fired a bullet. So that is it has initial velocity, then it the target here, reach the target here which is on the ground. So the distance between the gun and target, this is horizontal range. So horizontal range, that is equal to r. So in the question, this is the t1 time and t2 are the values of time taken to hit the target. So here two ways to reach the target. So one is, if the gun fired with making angle theta 1, otherwise it can move one more way. This is theta 1, one more 90 minus theta. So two ways the gun firing then reach the target. Here we have two ways are there, which is making theta 1. Two ways are there. So one is the bullet, maybe it go with theta 1 angle making with horizontal range. Otherwise it may go 90 minus theta 1. So two ways are there. Two possibilities are there. For example, one is theta 1, that is making with a ground angle theta 1. Otherwise it may move 90 minus theta. For this one the time taken is t1, for this one time taken is t2. So here is, this is t1, this is t2 to reach the ground. So what we have required in this question, so we have t1 into t2. So for that one we have to calculate initial first t1. So that is generally oblique projection. If the projectile projected with theta angle, the angle making with theta with the ground, then total time of flight, that is equal to t equal to 2u sin theta by g. 2u sin theta by g. So here I am taking for the first case, if the projectile making an angle theta 1 with the horizontal, for that one the time taken is theta 1. For example, if that is theta 1, that is equal to u sin theta by g. So one more t2, so with the projectile is making 90 minus theta with the ground. So for this one 2u sin of 90 minus theta by g. So here 2u cos theta by g, this is t2, this will be t1. t2 equal to, I think it is not visible, see t2 equal to 2u cos theta by g. So we have two values here, one is t1 and one more is t2. One is t1 and one more is t2. Now what we have to calculate, so the product of T1 and T2. So these are the values. We have 2u cosine theta by g, 2u cos theta by g. Just this is the required value for the question. We have the options in r by 2g, 2r by g. For that one, T1 equal to 2u sine theta by g into 2u cos theta by g. So 2 2 are 4, 4u square sine theta cos theta by g. So we can 2u square 2 sine theta cos theta. So that is sine 2 theta by g. Sine 2 theta by g. So g into g, g square in denominator. So this is T1 and T2. We have now we got the answer this one, but in the options it is not there. So for that one, just change this one. 2u u square sine 2 theta by g into 2 by g. So u square sine 2 theta by g is nothing but r into 2 by g. R into 2 by g, this just substitute, this will be r into 2 by g, you will get 2r by g. So 2r by g is the answer. Option is second right. Just what we did here, what I did here. So just I taken, see T1 and T2 are the values I am taken to hit the targets. Two possibilities are there. So one more, the projectile may taken theta 1 angle making with ground. It may take 90 minus theta to make with ground. So two possibilities are there. In first possibility, the time taken is T1. Second possibility, time taken is T2. Just I substituted and product I taken. So I got this answer, but the answer is not there in 4 options. So I changed in terms of range, so that I got 2r by g. This is the right option. Thank you.